So over here, you can see that I am in output mode right here. So I went to workspace and then selected output mode, or you can also go around and select output mode from here. So here you can see that I actually have this particular output mode document right here, where I can go ahead and then drag in images as I like right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see. So I got images right here, and I can simply go ahead and then, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and drag this in right here. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and select out a template for this. So here you can see that right now I'm using custom. So you can go for 2x2 cell right here, just like this. And then you can make it landscape as well. Or you can go around and choose other type of document right here as well. For example, you got two greeting card right here. You got contact sheet right here with little images. So you can simply go ahead and drag these in right here. I can go around and drag this in right here. I can go ahead and drag this in, drag this in, drag this in, drag this in, drag this in right here, just like this. And you can see that I got multiple images right here, just like this. So now let me just go ahead and then drag this in right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and drag this in, drag this in, just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and drag this in right here, just like this as well. So you can see that these are the images, and I can go around, turn it into landscape, and I can also go ahead and turn it into, let's say, 5x4, 8x5 right here. You can see that I can go ahead and make fine art right here, maximum size, and so forth, so that you got one page and so forth right here, and you even have text right here, like with 3 images each right here, just like this, and so forth. So that is what you have, and you can go around onto custom and then work around with the image quality, and then change around the thumbnail placements according to how you want as well. So best repeat one photo per page, or like, let's say for example, work around with including a file name. You can include file name extension right here, just like this, and even go ahead and change around the font of this particular file. So you can go make it around italic and so forth right here, and change this out according to how we want. So that is how you can work around with contact sheet document settings inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.